You're right, you're right. That's the one we were watching, and that one behind the trees there is the one that nearly dropped on top of us, or very near us. It was to our right.
You were just outside of a tornado on foot.
Dave, you and I were intercepted with our heads.
That's amazing.
Mike, this is June 17th, all over again.
Dude, Alec, I was outside.
I was too. Yeah, I was in the tornado outside of the vehicle. I saw the tree branches and I'm like, oh.
I looked back, I was like, uh-oh. And then you just
We were like, on the right, on the right.
Yeah, guys, man, we gotta
get this van.
Yeah, we gotta
Number 11.
Let's go get this van out, guys.
Get the van out.